Hello everyone, these are some tips and tricks in Microsoft Excel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to get everything new. Here we have list 1 and list 2. In list 1 we have door, windows, chair, etc. And in the list 2 we have apple, door, key. The purpose of this tips is to find the common values between list 1 and list 2. So what we are going to do is to click on a cell below common value, press equal and type the function filter. Between parentheses, I'm going to select the array. I'm going to select all the values in list 1, and then here, as you have seen this comma, I will press comma. I have to enter a second function, include, so I will type count if. Here double click on count if, and then here this is a range. As you have seen here, I have to select the second list, press comma, and the criteria, I will select the first list again and close the parentheses, double parentheses, and then press enter. As you have seen, these are the common values, so door here and door here, a chair and a chair, etc. Tip number 2, day of the week. Click, type the function text between parentheses, select the value here, comma, type 4 days, and close the parentheses, enter. Click here, hover over until seeing this plus sign button, double click, and that's it. Another way is to remove 1D and press enter, then double click here and double click. Tip number 3, rank of the student. Student name, these are the marks, and we're going to find the rank. Simply click equal and type rank, this one, double click and select the number, first one, comma, then select the reference. I will select all the values, then press F4 using keyboard, then close the parentheses and enter. Hover over until seeing this plus sign button, double click. Tip number 4 is how to create a number list. Instead of typing 1, 2, or instead of typing 1 and hover over until seeing this plus sign button, press Ctrl using keyboard and drag it down until reaching the number you needed, for example 15. If you have for example 1000 or 2000, a bigger number, what you are going to do is simply press equal and type sequence, yes, this one, double click and type the last value, for example 2000, close the parentheses and press enter, and that's it. I will reach the last value automatically, 2000. Tip number 5 is how to quickly separate my full name and the abbreviations. First, instead of typing the first name and the middle one and the last one, and the abbreviation is here M, C, and N, which means M for the first name, C for the middle name, and N for the last name. Simply click here below the first name and press Ctrl E using keyboard and all the first names, then go to the second one, press Ctrl E again, the middle names, and for the last name press Ctrl E again, and also for the abbreviation press Ctrl E. For example here NAA, this one NAA.